where the pool will be. Walking up the stairs. This is the master bedroom slider. There's the view. Entrance. I think we need to go here. This is the queen. Let's see if we can open it. It's gonna be hot in here. So this is where you'd come in. And straight ahead to the right is the master. Back in here, closet, double vanity, toilet, big shower area. Walk in again, that's the electrical room, queen room, queen slider that we just came in, closet, single vanity, shower. Linen closet that is now going to be holding our hot water heater. Open washer dryer area, probably put a shelf in. This is the front of the house. Deck out there, but we're not going to go out there because it's blocked. Owner's closet right there. Stairs going up, but this area is the game room. Big open room here for a TV. Wet bar going right there. Well, let's see if we can just move this and go out just to capture. Door needs a little work, but here's this. First floor. Get a good view down there. Back in a minute.